Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on hundreds chart. The above hundreds chart is very useful in helping young students recognize patterns. Some useful patterns that are easily recognized are as follows. The even numbers. These can be found in every second column. I have highlighted these numbers in red. They are easily seen. Odd numbers. These can also be found in every second column and are not highlighted. Also very easily seen. Some more useful patterns that are easily recognized are as follows. The 3 times tables. These are the highlighted yellow diagonals. Now you can see the yellow diagonals here. See that there? All the way down there, that one, this one, and that one. And they are the 3 times tables. 3 ones are 3. That's at the beginning of that diagonal. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15, and so on. So you can see how the diagonals appear. That's a beautiful pattern there. And they are the 3 times tables. The 9 times tables. These are also highlighted in yellow. However, as can be seen, all 9 times tables are part of the 3 times tables. They are not all of the 3 times tables, they are part, only part. There is a small red dot showing where these numbers are situated. See, so this red dot is part of the 3 times tables, but that represents the 9 times tables. And we also include those two. So basically, without doing all of them, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, and so on. Some more useful patterns that are easily recognized are as follows. The 11 times tables. These are the highlighted blue diagonals. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44, etc. The 12 times tables. These are highlighted in green and also form special diagonals. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, and they continue along here. Can you find other patterns? I'm sure you can if you look closely. So this video has introduced the hundreds chart, and we've looked at some special patterns involving numbers.